Hi, I'm Jason, and this is my partner Alex. We work at Two Dudes Painting Company in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Together, we have a combined 55 years experience in the painting industry. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between green and yellow frog tape. In general, frog tape is best to use whenever you need a clean, sharp line. For example, masking trim between two paint colors and masking kitchen cabinets, floors, murals, faux finishes, or designs. The green tape is Frog Tape's multi-surface painter's tape. It is a medium adhesion tape that will remove cleanly from most surfaces for up to 21 days. The green multi-surface tape is our go-to for a variety of surfaces, like walls that were painted before you apply the tape, or when the trim is painted and you are only painting the walls. Green frog tape can be used on surfaces like glass, metal, stone, and unfinished wood, and it can be used indoors and outdoors. Because frog tape is a premium tape, we do not like to use it for general job site items like securing tarps, drop cloths, or cleaning off rollers. We use the lower quality tapes for that. The yellow tape is Frog Tape's delicate surface painter's tape. It's a low adhesion tape that can stay on surfaces for up to 60 days and still remove cleanly. The yellow delicate surface tape gives you that extra measure of protection when you are dealing with the surfaces that could easily be damaged, like freshly painted walls that are dry to the touch but haven't cured, or on wallpaper, finished wood, wood veneer, laminate surfaces, vinyl, or primed drywall. Yellow frog tape can only be used indoors. Now that you understand the difference between green frog tape and yellow frog tape, you can choose the right tape for your next job.